Hey everyone, Chris here with a video on how to use a hardware wallet with Veefriends to store your Veefriend NFTs as well as other crypto also. I'm going to show you how to secure them with the hardware wallet, how to transfer them over. At this point, I'm going to assume people watching this video have already purchased a Veefriend, are familiar with metamask and OpenC a little bit, but I'm going to go through it all with you, show you exactly how to transfer them over to your hardware wallet, also how to interact with metamask and OpenC. It's really not difficult. I'll show you some tools you can use to check your work in effect to make sure your transactions are going through so you can feel real secure when you do this. Now, if you're brand new to Veefriends, haven't used metamask before, don't know how to create a wallet or buy Ethereum, then you're definitely going to want to refer to the Veefriends official Discord. That'll show you exactly step-by-step how to do all that. You want to go to the helpful articles section there, and that'll walk you right through getting up to the point of where we're at now, where I'm discussing here with using a hardware wallet. So let's get right into it. Going to start with the two most common hardware wallets out there, which are Ledger and Trezor. The Trezor right here looks like this. You're physically pushing a button on the device to confirm transactions. The same with the Ledger too. There's two little buttons on the side. So this is what the Ledger Nano S looks like. This is what the Trezor One looks like. Those are both what I use, and they work real great. I've been using them for years. The most important thing is when you buy one of these devices, which I'll link in the description of this video to both the Trezor and the Ledger. You always want to make sure you buy it directly from the manufacturer. So you'll see my links. I'll list the long, ugly affiliate links I have there, but you'll see they go to the official Trezor and Ledger website. You don't really want to buy from Amazon. You don't know who may have tampered with them. And when you get these devices, set them up exactly according to the manufacturer instructions. They're going to give you a seed phrase, which is a list of words. That's what you want to secure in multiple secure locations. Preferably separate locations. If you have a best friend or a parent or a sibling's house that you can store that seed phrase there, go ahead and do that. This is what happens in case the device fails, it gets lost or stolen. You just input that seed phrase into a new device and you're up and rolling. So I actually encourage people to buy two of these if you can afford it. I'm relatively cheap considering the price of these Veefriends. So buy two, have a backup if you need to, and you just use that seed phrase to restore all your wallets on a new device. So never give that seed phrase to anyone. We're going to be dealing with public wallet addresses that get out there. That's fine. People have access to those, but never give your seed phrase to anyone. So once you have your hardware wallet, you're going to just connect to Veefriends with it or to OpenC with it like you would normally through metamask. So I'm going to just open my metamask extension here. So this is what you'll see if you click the top right here. Here's your current accounts, wallets that you may have. So once you have your hardware wallet and set up to the manufacturer specs, the other thing too, Ledger and Trezor both come with their own computer app too. We're not going to be using that. There's some nice things that you can do with that, but we're going to be sticking strictly with metamask and just show you the simplest way to do it. So you're going to just click Connect Hardware Wallet. And I'm going to X that out. That was one I already had connected. So ignore this error here. If you're brand new, it's going to come to this screen here. It just says Connect a Hardware Wallet. And I'm going to connect a Trezor right here. So you click Continue. And then this page will pop up because I have my Trezor plugged into my computer USB port already. So this is the name of my device. So I just click on that. And then it's going to say export public key to that account. So I click export. And this is the way the Trezor pin system works. The screen on the physical device is going to show a grid of numbers. And you're going to set up your pin code when you first set up the device. And you're just going to match up the pin code numbers on your screen on the physical device you have plugged into your computer. And just select the according ones here to log into your device. Confirm that. And now it'll let me select whatever wallets I want to. I'm going to select these four that have a little something in them. We're unlocking those. And now we have access to this with our MetaMask. So if I click up here, all the ones that I just selected will be listed here. So now you're connected. So whatever wallet address you set up, for me it's this address listed right up here, that is now connected to whatever site you go to. So if you go back to Veefriends, connect to wallet, click MetaMask, connect to the MetaMask, all the wallets that I just selected are now shown here. This is the one I want to connect to. Click connect again, and boom, now you're connected up here, just like you were before. So now you have multiple wallets. You can have your hardware wallet or any other wallet you were using before. So you always just want to go back to MetaMask, click this right arrow, select the right account that you want to interact with, and that's the one that will be tied to Veefriends, or same thing on OpenC when you log into OpenC. So keep in mind these are non-custodial wallets, so like you don't have an OpenC account, so you don't have two OpenC accounts now because you have two wallets. You are just using OpenC as a third-party decentralized tool, so all you need to do is connect your wallet and you're good to go. So just always make sure you're connected to the right wallet in MetaMask and you'll be good to go on these platforms. All right, now let me show you how to interact with OpenC with your hardware wallet, and specifically how to transfer your Veefriends from one wallet to your now new hardware wallet. So we're logged in to OpenC. I'm logged into another tab here, and this is a Veefriend that I already have in an account owned by me. What we're going to do is we're going to use this transfer feature right inside OpenC. You don't pay any royalties or anything like that. You just pay the gas, which I did this earlier today and it was like $3 or $4. So you're going to transfer this to the new wallet address that you just created. So to do that, you just hit transfer, and now it's going to ask you what address you want to use. So you just find the address of the wallet that you just created on your hardware wallet. In my case, it was a Trezor, and you're going to plug that address right in here. I'm going to paste that address in there. We're going to double check that that address is right. We're going to hit transfer. MetaMask is going to come up, and now what it's going to show you here, this is the wallet that I just set up. So that could be named differently depending on your device. And it shows the arrow going to here. Now this isn't going to match the new wallet address that you just input. This is actually the Veefriends contract address. You can always copy and paste this into Etherscan 2, and you'll see that it's the Veefriend token contract address. This is the smart contract itself. So you can always double check your work. If anything looks off or doesn't make sense to you, just put it in Etherscan and you can see. If this was some other wallet address, you'd be able to tell. But you can double check that this is the Veefriends contract address. That's the contract we want to interact with. So we're going to pay this $3.34 of gas. We're going to hit confirm. Trezor is going to pop up again because we're connected to that wallet on that device. Select our device. Now we follow the instructions on the physical device plugged into our computer. It's going to tell us what's going on, that we're sending and signing this message. We confirm that, confirm the transaction data, then it asks us, do we really want to send, and are we okay with paying that amount for gas? And we would confirm that, and then the NFT will transfer, it'll go back to OpenC, and then it'll actually bring you to the Etherscan transaction so you can see that it's confirmed. Now I'm not going to do that. I don't want to transfer this one. So I'm just going to hit cancel on my Trezor One, and there it tells me action canceled by user. So the beauty of this is you have to have the physical device in order to process transactions. You don't have to worry about your MetaMask being hacked. You don't have to worry about anything being lost or stolen as long as you secure that seed phrase. Never give that seed phrase to anyone. This is a great way to store long-term other crypto holdings as well if you don't want to keep them on exchanges. Really the safest way to go. It can save you a ton of headaches. Once you get accustomed to these transactions, it's real simple. I always encourage people to, once they create a new wallet, new Ethereum wallet on their hardware wallet, to send a little bit of Ethereum from whatever wallet you have just back and forth once, just so you get comfortable with the transactions. You'll pay a little bit in gas, but I think that's really the safest way for people to go about it. But again, just make sure you have that wallet address right that you're sending to, and it's really hard to screw up. I know it's overwhelming for people, but once you get this down, it's really going to take things to the next level for you, and you're going to be ahead of so many people and really be able to accomplish a lot more with these devices. And let me just show you how to interact with OpenC in general too. No different than really before. You're just, again, using this hardware wallet to connect to MetaMask, and then using MetaMask like you normally would, but I'll take you through it quick so you can feel comfortable with it. So I have my hardware wallet already connected to my MetaMask. I'm on OpenC. This would be the same for Veefriends.com if they were still available for sale on there, but they're not, so we're on the secondary market here with OpenC. So I would just click on a listing. We'll click on this Pleasant Platypus, excuse me to whomever owns this for my lowball offer, but I just want to show people how this works here. So you just click on make offer. I think I only got one wrapped ETH in this wallet. I would click make offer. MetaMask pops up like it should always for you before, except this time when we click the sign button, it's our hardware wallet that's doing the signing. So again, we click on our wallet name to open it up, and again, follow instructions on the device, which it's asking me to sign a binary message. I hit confirm. And that's it. Offer was submitted successfully. So it's going to be the same thing now too, even if you want to go into your account settings, you have to sign a request for that too. So everything that you're interacting with now has this extra security of this hardware wallet that you have to physically press the button in order to sign transactions. So you don't have to worry about MetaMask getting hacked or anything like that. So a great tool to use to be able to just increase security with everything that you're interacting with. Works the same in a bunch of different sites. Just make sure you're connected to the right wallet in MetaMask, and it's just this extra step of signing the transaction on the wallet and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, links to the two wallets that I use are down in the description. I'll throw my Discord name in there too. If you have any questions, hit me up on Discord. Check the Veefriends official Discord for all the information you need to get to this point where you need a hardware wallet to secure your assets. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions.